So in a previous video, I talked to you guys about the law of attraction and how to take your vision boards, and instead of doing boards where you paste cutout magazines onto a paper, instead we take images and we create a slideshow in our phone, and we create a vision movie. And then you watch the movie and play it over and over again. And what it does is it trains your subconscious to manifest the things that are in your vision movie over time. Now, I've learned a tip to take it one step further. I want to give a shout out to Monica, who figured this out. If you have an Apple Watch, you can take those same images that are in your vision movie and you can make them appear on your watch, so that every time you look at your wrist, to look at a notification or the time or the weather, you will see an image from your vision board or your vision movie pop up as the background image on your watch. And then therefore it's being reinforced more often into your subconscious so that you can manifest those things into your reality. So this is an amazing tip, an amazing hack for law of attraction. I'm going to go through a quick tutorial now and show you how to do this on your iPhone. I have an iPhone and an Apple Watch, so I know how to do it with that. I'm sure that there's a way to do it with Android and an Android watch, but I don't have those things, so I can't show you how to do it on that. But I'm sure that you can watch this tutorial and figure out a way to do the same thing on Android. So here we go. All right, so in your watch app, go to the face gallery and scroll down to photos. Click on that, and then you can choose an album. You want to choose the album where you have your vision photos saved and select them. You can select all or a few. Add that face to your selection of watch faces. And then when you choose the one you want, you can add it, you can select it as your watch face. All right, so that concludes this video. Let me know in the comments. I hope you got some benefit from this. Let me know if you were able to do your vision movie and put it on your watch, and if it benefited you in any way. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you feel like this is beneficial. Thanks, this is Ethan signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.